All right, so let's get started here. Let me share my presentation slides. So welcome to the second day of our training course. So before we move on to the today's training course, please feel free to let me know if you have any questions from yesterday's training course, and if you have any question or problems while installing our systems or our software applications, or any other questions, please feel free to let me know. And for today's topic, I will be showing you 4 different videos. So based on the most common use feature that we use along with our systems, so which including I will give you a brief introduction to our dispatch console and all the settings in the. Okay, all right, no problem. And I will please let me know if I am speaking too fast, and I will try to slow down. So for today's topic, I will be showing you 4 different videos, which includes the brief explanation on our dispatch console, which is our software application, and also how to use a third-party camera, integrate with our systems, and also using this extend the audio input to correct the external audio results, and also to use our I/O setting that is behind our speakers. So that is the schedule for today. And also, I received the feedback from yesterday that I will be showing the multicast feature for tomorrow. And please let me know if there is any other feature you would like me to demonstrate. So please give me a message. And let's move on here. So for the first video, I will be giving a demonstration on our dispatch console, and I hope you guys are all installed our dispatch console already and using it. So, and do not have any problems like while you were installing. So let's get started here. All right, let me explain those panels interfaces you prefer. So here we can see all the devices that we have been registered on to our system on this little icon. So device status. So if it's in green, then it is online and free. If the icon is in red, that means the device is busy, or if the color is yellow, that means it is in error. So if we busy, so you didn't show any of the device, that means none of the device is offline or and for I need to go back right here. And for room 1 and room 2 is the pages that we and for the upper icons, it's showing different device types. So if we click on speaker, all right, let's here. So give me 1 second. All right, let's start over again. Let me explain a little bit about the dispatch console panel or like interface if you prefer. So right here we can see all the devices that we have been registered on to our system on this little icon. So it will be showing the device status. So if it's in green, that means it is online and free. If the icon is in red, that means the device is busy, or if the color is yellow, that means it is in error. So if we click on the busy button, so it didn't show any of the device. That means none of the device is busy, or none of the device is offline or error. And for room 1 and I need to go back right here. So and for room 1 and room 2 is the patient group that we created from the center. And for the upper icons, it's showing different device types. So if we click on speaker, since we have only registered one speaker onto our system, so it will be showing the speakers right here, and we have intercom, phones, cameras. We don't have any cameras registered yet, but we will do it later. And no microphones, and we have one gateway. So it will be showing the devices that is registered and the dispatch user Emily can use only. And moving on to the left navigation bar, this little navigation bar right here. So if we click on music, so the music player is actually the music playlist. So we can click on to creating a new playlist. But since we don't have any music files uploaded yet, so we will do it later. So moving on to the music collection, it's where that you can upload the music files. So we can drag in any like a music files right here. So let's do, I have prepared 2 different music files. And also we support text-to-speech, TTS. So let's do like, hello, how are you? And convert it into a audio file. So I got my TTS files right here. And also we support recording, so I can like record a message. Happy Friday. Let's say it. Happy Friday. Let's try again. Happy Friday. Happy Friday. All right. Much better. Here we go. All right, I got my TTS files here, and I got my recording files right here. And for emergency, we are supporting 9 different emergencies at this point. And if you click on the edit, you can actually choose the music files. You can choose multiple music files if the emergency is triggered. So, and the alarm sound is where you store all the emergency music files. So whatever music files right here, and you can choose it from here. Here you go. And for meeting, so meeting is actually used in the index panel. So we can choose like a phone and a intercom. Click on the click on the meeting button, and they will start the meeting. Let me pull up my camera. So the phone is ringing, and I have my IAO3 intercom is already connecting. Okay, and let's see, our meeting is Go and let's delete the meeting. And for task, moving on to the task. So task is a big feature on our dispatch console. We support 3 different types of tasks. So for the first one would be the immediate and timetable and also dial number. So let's do like task 1. And let's choose immediate. Next, we can choose the audio type. So you can play music or and one thing I believe I forgot to do is to creating the music playlist since we are already uploaded the music files here. So let's create a music playlist. Playlist 1. All right, and we can choose the music files that we uploaded. So click on save, and I have my first playlist. So going back to the task. Task 1, immediate. And we can choose the music. Choose the playlist 1 that we just created. And the play mode can be default order or shuffle. So let's keep it in the default order. And next, we need to choose the devices. So let's choose the speaker. Click on save. People are mine. Okay, and I have stopped the task. So that is the immediate task. The immediate task is more using in the situations like if you have any emergency case and you need to play a alarm or emergency alarm, things like that. And let's try out the second type of task. So would be a timetable. So we put once off. So on the once off mode, you only need to choose a specific date, such as today, the 29th. Or the repeated. So repeated, you can choose a time range, like saying 1 month. So and if you leave it blank, leave it empty, it will play the task every single day, infinite. And you do need to choose a specific time. Let's say now it's 2:44. Let's see. 2:44. Okay, and I will end my task. Let's say 2:59. And we support the periodic play, so and in different in 2 different modes. So the most one would be repeat frequency. So if we set it up, it has to be 1 minute or bigger. So if we set it to 60 seconds, so it will repeat every 60 seconds, and the duration would be let's say in 10 seconds. So I will play my music for 10 seconds and in every 60 seconds. And mode 2 would be the intervals mode. So I will play the whole task, saying like if I'm choosing a music playlist, I will finish my playlist and wait for 60 seconds to play it again. So let's try the play mode right here. And click on next. Select the audio type. So we have just chosen the music. So let's do let's do like Happy Friday. And I can actually review.
Happy Friday. Happy Friday.
Okay. Fine. And choosing the device to take on the task and click on Save. Let's pull out my camera here. Now it's 2:45.
Happy Friday, 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 Happy.
Okay, so it plays for 10 seconds and it will wait for another 60 seconds to play it again. So let's delete the task. For the last task type would be the dial number. So let's do task 3 here, and number, let's give it 1024. Next, let's do music, and we can choose the playlist 1. Make it 54, volume 250, and click on next. Choosing the device, so let's do a hearing speaker. Let's save. So now we have the task 3, which is if you dial the *11 plus 1024, it will be trigger the task. So let me pull up my cameras here and let's give it a try. Okay. My speaker is playing the music. Hello. And we can stop the speaker right here to end the task. All right. So the next section would be the alarm. So if we click on alarm, they will be showing all the alarm history, and you can confirm the save. And also on the false report, you can see the report here, since we don't have any false report yet, so you'll be like no data. And also ignore. So clicking the upper right corner right here, and we can check all the recordings. So for recordings, we have divided into 3 different sections: the paging, the intercom calls, and also the meeting. So all the recording would be automatically record, and you can see, and you can like review the recording by clicking the this little icon here. And all right. And also we have the intercom recording and the meeting recording right here. And also for setting, we have the dark mode. So personally, I'm more prefer this dark mode, dark theme. And you can select the language here, and we will be adding more language into this dispatch console later on. And also in advanced setting, you can choose the TTS engine. So we have the Google supported, and also one of the providers from China. So that is pretty much how the consoles look like. All right, so that is a brief explanation on our dispatch consoles. So there are some telephony features that I didn't put in the video, and some like play or paging, excuse me, and paging buttons right on the bottom, and we can do some explanation for tomorrow. And let's move on to the next video. So for this video is a demonstration on how to integrate with a third party's IP camera, and the IP cameras have to be RTSP supported. So our system supports unlimited numbers of IP cameras. So you may register as many as you like, and these IP cameras, they do not count towards the licenses. So it won't like affect your numbers of licenses. So yeah, so that is some information I need to bring it out here. So let's go on the video. All right, so let me show you a quick demonstration on how to integrate with a third party's IP camera. So for our system, we support a third party IP camera as long as they are RTSP supported. So we are in the IP audio center right now, and click on the audio device. Click on device. Let me hide my camera here. Okay, and add. So we are choosing the camera option, IP camera. And you do need to get the camera's RTSP address from the camera's system. So I have my RTSP address right here. Just copy and paste. Okay, it's looking good. Okay, just click on submit. Upgrade, and then we need to get the cameras dispatched into one of the groups. Otherwise, it won't show up on the console. So let's add in room 1. So I have my IP cameras here. Click on submit, activate. Okay. So, all right. So it's looking good. So moving back to the console. So let's refresh it. So we can see that we have the IP cameras here. So there is a little the cameras or like a video icons right here. So if we click on this little icon, and we have the video intercom panels on the right side. So if we expand the camera, then we can see the cameras that is installed on the hallway. So we can actually see the real-time image on the IP cameras, and if you have excuse me. So if you have multiple cameras, it will be listing out here, and you can choose to see like which camera real-time image, and we support at most 16 cameras. However, we do not store any of the camera memories or like the storage. So for what all our system can do is to pulling out the real-time image of the camera, but not storing the camera memories. Okay, and let's moving back to the audio center. So one thing we can be configure is to make the IP cameras to integrate with our IAO3, the intercom that's without the camera. So click on our IAO3 intercoms, and there is a video terminals option here. So we can select our IP camera, and you are able to select at most 16 IP cameras under the video terminal. So the up to a push is you need to enable this option while the cameras and the system is not in the same network, not under the same IP address. So you need to enable the artillery push, but since our systems and our camera is under the same network, so we do not need to enable this. And click on submit. Artillery. Okay, so for now I have my intercom that is typed with my camera, and let's try it out. We can do like 4. Let me pull up my All right. So that is a quick demonstration since I have my intercom that is tied with the camera. So whenever I use the intercom, it will be pull up the real-time image that is from the connected camera. All right. Then move on to the next video. So on this video, I will be demonstrating using this X10 SIP paging gateway to correct the external audio corrections in which you are able to play the music from your phones or from your computers, your laptop. So the speakers. So let's get started here. Okay, so let's do a quick demonstration on the external audio correction. So first of all, we need to get into the X10 SIP paging gateway system page, and right under advanced, there is a audio correction. So we need to turn on the audio correction and putting in the server address. Username and password, and the source name would be the name that you're giving to this audio correction. So you will do like audio correction, and click on submit. Okay, let me go to the dispatch console page and refresh the page. And now we can select a speaker. Click on play. So now we can see there is a additional audio source output right here saying X10, and that is the MAC address and plus the name that we're giving to this audio source. And choose this one and click on, before we click on play, let me show you that from the camera, I have my phone is connected to the X10 SIP paging gateway using a 3.5 mm jack. Okay, and I'm using my phone for playing music at this point. So let me click on play. so I can switch the next one. All right. Okay. So that is a quick demonstration for the audio correction. All right. Okay. So one other thing that I need to bring out here is 1x10 is only able to support one system. So 1x10 is not able to support like multiple systems, so one system only. And moving to our next video here. So I believe it is our last video for today. So on this video, I use the this like a little emergency line that is connected to the relay in the back of our SC15 steering speaker. So we are currently running these three models of speaker, and only on the SC15 and the SW15 they have the relay in the back. Since the SH30, the horn speaker has to be waterproof, so we couldn't do the relay in the back. So the horn speaker does not have the relay. And let's get started here. Okay, so let me show you a quick example. Example on our how our endpoint can be used with the relays in the I/O setting. So as you can see from the camera that I use a emergency line that is connected to my SC15, the steering speaker. And so we need to turn on the settings, the I/O settings. So let's get into the SC15 system page. And right under advanced, there is a I/O setting. So we need to turn on trigger by call status, and we can choose like incoming or like hang up events. So let's do like incoming. And for trigger type, we have three options. So we have the on and fast flashing and the slow flashing. So let's give them all a try. Okay, and hang up reset. So click on submit. So I will be using a IP phone to call in this speaker, and the light should be go up. Okay. All right, let me see the number on the. Hello. Okay, I'm going to hang up call. Okay, as you can see that once I hang up the call, the light will be stopped. So let's try another trigger mode. Let's do fast flashing. Submit. Let me pull up my camera screen. Hello. Okay, so that is a pretty quick example. All right, so so on these I/O settings, so it would be more using in a situations like you are in a extremely noisy environment and you have your speakers and you probably cannot hear the call if your phone is ringing or your call is coming. So in that case, you can put a light behind the speaker. So once there is call like incoming calls coming, you can actually have the light going up and you can see the light is like flashing and also your speaker is trying to like make the paging. So that is the case that you will use it. And for our next training course, we will be more focusing on the X10 SIP paging gateways and how on the technical training how to use these Finex connectors to connect with another device such as analog speakers or a like a smoke detectors or like a sensor. So I will be giving you the demonstration on how to use this Finex connector because we do receive a lot of requests from our customers. They have purchased our SIP, the X10 SIP paging gateways and didn't get like really know how to use it. So that's the training for next time. So I believe we have finished all of our full video for today. So let's see if we have